How to register for TD Bank Online Banking. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open up your browser, or if you have the app, you can open up the app as well. Once you have done that, you want to go ahead and simply search for TD Bank website, and then you can simply tap on login. After that, you can go ahead and simply tap on sign up for online banking. Now choose whether you are registering a personal account or business account. Then you will need to go ahead and simply tap on confirm. Tap on continue. After that, you need to go ahead and simply enter your TD access card number, postal card, date of birth to verify your identity. After that, create your online banking username, password, and set up your security questions for added account protection. After that, review and confirm your information, then complete the registration process. Once you finish, you'll be able to sign in to TD Bank Online Banking anytime through the website or mobile app. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.